Hey guys, this is our lesson for our letter K. This is the last letter that we're going to learn together. I'm sad. All right, the letter K. K says K, capital K is a pull down, a slant up, a slant down, and then lowercase k is a pull down, and the slant up is a little bit lower on the pull down, slant up, slant down. All right, so for K, our story is that Miss Hendry was out in the field flying her kite. Yay, her kite. But all of a sudden, the wind started blowing very hard. And oh no, the kite started taking her off the ground, and she said, my kite is flying away. Oh no. K says, all right. So, Miss Hendry, all right. The letter K says K for kitten, kite, key, and kids. To write the letter K, you're going to do a pull down, push up, or slant up, slant down, pull down for the lowercase, slant up under the dotted line, slant down, pull down, slant up, slant down, pull down, slant up under the dotted line, slant down under the dotted line. All right, bye friends.